71 VW Golf R in the most desirable colour, Estoril Blue. It's got the beautiful upgraded 19-inch wheels, which are diamond cut, and the beautiful Y spokes, so they're polished on the outside, and you get the black inserts. The key features, wheels, and it's got the sliding sunroof. The sunroof's a massive option. New generation car, 71 registered, so you've got them beautiful new IQ lights, completely transformed the front end. So you've got adaptive cruise control, sensors built in there, front and back sensors, cameras. This car is going to go live, and I keep saying it because before we advertise them, this car is going to be the best buy 71 in the UK today. There's other cars, but they're older. This is going to be 71. It's got the sunroof, it's Estoril Blue, and it's got the wheels. Chrome mirrors, full Golf R skirt styling, privacy. You've got them beautiful new IQ LED headlights at the back, that rear diffuser finished in the high gloss black. Fantastic car to drive, turbo, 4Motion, 330 brake horsepower, just fun, great fun. Contrasting calipers if you look on the wheels there as well, which is lovely. And then as we move on inside, you get great specification on these cars as standard really. So you've got things like heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, you've got that R button there, you just press it on and then it switches the car from comfort, sport and into race mode. The sunroof, which is, you just slide, it's not a switch as such, it's just more sensitive, so you just slide it, opens the sunroof. Paddle shift, full digital cockpit, automatic lights, automatic wipers. The navigation system is superb, really, really quick, and you can just press it and it's just, everything's really, really usable. You've got the different assistant, you've got your climate control, you've got your different modes. It's all so easy and all really up to date. Little small new gear stick they've changed. You've got your start stop button, everything's built in. You've got wireless charging for your phone. Just a great, great car. It's done just over 7,000 miles. Most importantly, it's going to be priced on the money to sell. And they're just a fun car, like I said, four-wheel drive, over 300 horsepower. In the back, you've still got plenty of space. It's a hatchback, digital climate control, 3 seats in the back with your ISOFIX. And if we move back now, I've opened that sunroof. How well does it look there with the privacy, with them wheels and with that glass roof opened, and then with the black styling, it just looks superb. Boot space is great again on a Golf R. So most key things about this car: 71, latest registration, Estoril Blue, 19-inch wheels and the sliding glass sunroof. And it's priced on the money, the best buy in the UK. It's going live now. You can call me direct. My number's on the bottom of the screen. Thank you for watching.